Our company reported a weak set of Q1 earnings. The net profit and revenue have slipped below street estimates. The stock, though, has recovered after that sharp fall that we saw. Let's talk about the management guidance going forward. MP Taparia, the managing director at the company, is joining us now. Mr. Taparia, good afternoon, sir. Thank you so much for joining in. It's been lower than what the street was working with in terms of estimates. Can you give us a sense of what led to that revenue decline of 4% in plastic piping segment? Profits have fallen as well. How much of it is attributable to the pricing of PVC? And what is the outlook going forward? Do you maintain your guidance in terms of revenues and margins?
Good afternoon. In the first quarter, our business was affected by piping division by two reasons. The rains came 20 days before the normal season, so the irregular demand was contracted, and there was 7 times price variation in PVC in the quarter. That is resulted in some inventory loss. For the full year, we still maintain that our turnover may be around 12,000 crore rupees, and our operating margin will be between 14.5% to 15.5%.
So you are maintaining your guidance, and that is something I think the street has liked as well. So the stock has recovered from the lows. What about pricing right now? You said Q1 was impacted by pricing. Rainfall came 20 days before. What has been Q2 demand so far? Because there are different segments that you cater to, be it agri, be it urban. Can you give us a sense of demand on ground in different segments?
In Q2, demand generally for agriculture segment remains low, but demand from housing is quite well maintained. We are anticipating some demand coming from infrastructure. So second quarter business will have much better volume growth compared to previous year second quarter.
Okay, Mr. Taparia, so you've said that demand in second quarter should be much better than Q1. A couple of questions. Can you, confirm to us that since May, companies have actually been taking price hikes, and we believe that the latest price hike was in the range of 1.3 rupees per kg for the PVC resin space. Could you confirm that? And going forward, what is the outlook as far as pricing is concerned?
We believe PVC resin prices have reached bottom. Many suppliers are bidding to sell at the current price. We believe the bottom has come, and government is also working on getting anti-dumping duty imposed. If that happens, then PVC prices may rise also.
Okay. Mr. Taparia, you mentioned anti-dumping duty. Two important things that the street was working with and was keenly awaiting. Number one was the implementation of quality control as well as the BIS norms. We understand that that has now been deferred to December 2025. And secondly, what is the status as far as the request for anti-dumping duty is concerned? Where are we on that?
Now, in the BIS, as you rightly said, it is extended up to December. We are not sure whether it is not going to be extended. It may be extended for further 6 months, but local production will be augmented only by end of calendar year 2026 or first quarter 2027 calendar year basis. On anti-dumping duty, government very recently announced a disclosure notice by which showing how much injury has been caused by the respective exporter to India, and this is the harbinger of the thing going to come when final rate of anti-dumping duty, which DGTR will recommend, may come in the month of first half of August, and thereafter between 2 to 3 months, the Ministry of Finance may issue notification of imposing anti-dumping duty based on the guideline given by Director General Trade Remedies.
Got it. Okay, so we'll be watching out for that. That's an important notification that the street is watching out for. You're maintaining your volume growth guidance, you're maintaining your revenue guidance. How are you getting volume growth versus your peers? Is it discounting? Is it some other measure that you're adopting? And also, have dealers started restocking now, sir?
Now, there is no restocking anymore because restocking took place big way last year. And with the PVC resin coming to a reasonable level, and the trend is the future after 2-3 months, prices may start going up, and the demand is expected to be quite brisk because the rains are quite good. So demand for agriculture also will come up. Housing demand will be better, and infrastructure also will be better than last year. So demand is going to be better also. So with the effect of demand going to be better and small restocking, we anticipate that this year the volume growth in plastic piping division will be between 15 to 17%.
Okay, Mr. Taparia, one last question very quickly. So, we wanted to understand what is the final decision when it comes to the injury caused to the domestic sector when it comes to anti-dumping? And did you say that by August, we may see some anti-dumping come by? What will be the impact for Supreme if it does happen?
Supreme Industries, after the local prices go up, then we will be able to pass on the increase. We will have no difficulty.
Thank you so much, Mr. Taparia. We would have loved to have a much longer conversation with you. Thank you so much, and we wish you all the best for the rest of FY26. But with that, it's all the time we have on this edition of Midcap Radar, Mutual Fund Corner, when we return.